Alright, hi, this is Tyler. Hi. And this is my game. Named it Vanquishing Shadows, and I made it extremely depressing because the game depressed me. I couldn't get everything working, so it's kind of in a state of chaos. And, yeah. So, this is my title screen. Here's the title, Vanquishing Shadows. My name is up in the left-hand corner, and I use the basic GUI script to make my buttons. Now originally I was gonna make it so there were lives and score. I succeeded in making the variables and putting them where I wanted them to, but when I die it sends me back, and it was supposed to minus one of my lives, but apparently the variables and stuff didn't work. I also wanted it to make it so every time you clicked, a bullet went towards where you were shooting, where you clicked. I made it so it went a basic direction. I didn't get around to making a child object, which was going to be like the bad guy. There's a little storyline going on here. It kind of made it all Final Fantasy, as you can tell by the music, which I made myself. But it's basically a maze game with lots of particle effects on the first level. My nice little waterfalls and stuff. So the objective of the game basically is to just run through the level. There's no time or anything. And get to the portal, which is this little thing right here with all the sparkly lights around it. So here's my action level. Kind of not really actiony at all. Same concept, get to the portal. I was gonna add little hidden child objects, except yeah, I just messed up. But yeah, continues like that, and then when you complete the level by getting to the third level, that's this one, which actually, to show off a few of my other features, I made moving walls. Here, zoom in on that. They move on their own. They provide their own little obstacle, and I made extra little obstacles that are actually very hard to spot. Wait, gotta get to them. It's actually right here. If you can't see it, they're like squares you only notice if you're staring at them for a little bit. You can grab them, which also has the shoot button. You can drag them around. They stop you if you just run into them. Like this one right here is hidden. You just got to move it out of the way. It's just an added little puzzle. If you hit yourself with it, it kills you over and 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 over, and it kills you. So in a way, that's the most dangerous obstacle there is. But yeah. So to do all this stuff, I have all my folders. This is my music folder, named appropriately. I used all my materials for my objects in this one. My GUI stuff, my scripts. I used basic death trigger. My move cube was my player script. Here was my problem with the bullet. I couldn't find the position to get it. Yeah, it's basic. Next level script is basic. Bullet. I basically copied the bullet script from the space shooter. It was all set up and ready to go, but I didn't make the object. And my spawn, this was actually a player script I copied. I got all my stuff out of that. And my prefabs, which were all the stuff I used for each level. My particle effects I got from particles and standard assets. And yes, that's my game in all basics. Hope you enjoy.